take a seat. Looks like we have you on the schedule. It has already been a year for your annual exam. Awesome. And are you coming in with absolutely any concerns today? You're doing okay? Awesome. All right, so nothing as far as urinary symptoms, no burning, itching, no frequency, no vaginal concerns, itching, odor, burn, no pelvic pain. All right, now I'm taking a look at your medical history. Doesn't look like you're on any meds. Any new changes to that since we saw you last year? No? It looks like you're actually going to be due for your first mammogram this year. Sorry, I didn't mean to remind you. So we'll be sure that we put an order in for that as well, okay? We'll probably want to wait for Lena the PA to see if she wants to do a screening mammogram or a diagnostic mammogram, depending on if she feels anything. So we'll wait on that. Now, your pap smear over the past few years have been nothing but normal. You have no history of an abnormal pap smear, right? Awesome. So the biggest reason I ask is because you will not be due for a pap smear this year. I feel like a lot of people think that they need it yearly, but per the guidelines, you can actually go every 3 to 5 years, depending on HPV status and how old you are. So if you don't want a pap smear this year, then we don't actually have to do one. Right, so the pap smear is the name of the test for the cervical cancer screen. So it's when you see this container over here. But a pelvic exam is what it sounds like. It's just examining your pelvis. So we'll still do a pelvic exam if that works for you, but you won't need the cervical cancer screening test every year. No one's ever told you that? Yep, so that's just a little bit of information. You want to know what I think makes it confusing is insurance does cover it yearly for most insurance companies, so people just tend to do them every year. Exactly, yeah. All right, so no pap this year then, okay? But we'll figure out the mammogram order for you, and your annual will stay the exact same. Otherwise, you'll still get a breast exam, abdominal exam, and a pelvic exam. We'll still take a look in the vagina, make sure everything's healthy, that your cervix looks good, and that we don't feel any masses. For sure, yeah. I did just want to clarify that for you because I feel like it confuses so many people. And sometimes when people come in and we say you don't need a pap smear, or you're maybe not old enough for a pap smear, they'll say, well, what do you mean? Like, I get pap smears yearly, but they're actually talking about pelvic exams. So it gets a little bit tricky for sure, but who's going to teach us this stuff, you know? Exactly. So let's get started on your vital signs, and then we will get the ball rolling for your annual exam. Of course, the PA will do it for you today. All right. So, blood pressure check. Still getting your periods monthly, right? Just want to make sure. All right. If you wouldn't mind sliding it through your arm here. Just gonna secure that. Very good. Take a listen. Blood pressure is good. Let me loosen this for you here. Right, do you want to slide your arm out of there? There you go. Awesome, awesome. Let me get this wrapped here. Blood pressure is normal. How's your family doing? Good. Your year has been okay? To be honest with you, I can't even believe it's been a full year since I've seen you. All right. Blood pressure is good. Let's get that temperature check going here. Right. This is just gonna go right underneath your tongue as it usually does. Oop. All right, right underneath the tongue. There we go. Just give me a little bit of time here. But yeah, no, I've been doing great. The clinic's been very busy, but it's a good problem to have for sure. We just want it to be a comfortable place for all people, you know what I mean? Yes, it's all about acceptance, understanding, especially when you work in these clinics. Absolutely. All right. Temperature is good. Remind me of your height and weight. Okay. Gotcha. All right. So I think I got all of my information. So like I said, we'll make sure to give you a mammogram script today to get that done for your breast cancer screening. And then no pap smear this year, but still we'll be doing the breast exam, abdominal exam, and pelvic exam. You don't need any specific infection screening, not having any other concerns that Leanna needs to address. You're doing good. Okay, just wanted to make sure. Well, I'm gonna go take this chart to her. As always, there's a drape there for you to cover your breasts and your pelvic region. Just try not to wrap yourself too much around the blanket. And then she will be in to do your full examination. Then we'll get everything going for you this year to make sure you have a very happy and healthy year. Absolutely. So I'm gonna step out and give you some privacy now. She will be in shortly. Hello. It is very nice to see you. I can't believe it has already been a full year. I know, it is crazy. Looks like for this year's annual, you are not due for a pap smear this year, the cervical cancer screening. So we will be doing just the breast, abdominal, and pelvic exam. Doesn't look like we need to do any infection screening for you this year, but you will be due for your first mammogram order. Yes, and then we will be sure to give you the number at checkout to get that scheduled. And please do, because oftentimes mammograms show a lot more within our breast tissue than we're able to feel during breast exams or self-breast exams. Yes, so very important for sure. All right, but how have you been? Good, good. I'm very happy to hear that. Now approaching the winter times. Yeah, I think the driving in the snow thing is what really gets me personally. Yeah, I'm not a fan at all. Nope. I get scared. I really do. All right, we are going to start with the breast exam. So I am just going to move this over. Have you felt any breast lumps at all? Good. How about nipple discharge or skin inversion where it looks like your skin's getting pulled inward or your nipple? No? Okay, good. Just want to make sure. Not seeing any obvious skin changes or new moles or lesions, so that's really good. Do you mind lifting this arm up? Just going to assess your axillary lymph nodes. Very good. All right. This breast, everything checks out, so I am going to make my way over to this side. I am going to lift this over a little bit. Okay. We'll make sure this breast is okay. There we go. And again, I'm not seeing any skin changes. No nipple discharge, no nipple inversion, nothing like that. They do appear to be both symmetrical, so that's good. Do you mind lifting this arm for me just to assess lymph nodes? Very good. And you're not feeling any tenderness with where I'm pressing, right? Okay, just want to make sure. And then, yep, like I said, both looking symmetrical. I am just going to move this over a little bit more here. I'm just going to take a look at your abdomen. Make sure I don't see any skin changes, suspicious moles, nothing like that. There we go. Just going to do some tapping on your belly here. All right. And I'm just going to press down. Kind of deeper presses, but you're not feeling pain here in your pelvis, right? Good, good. I do just want to make sure of that, of course, that you're not feeling pain. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to cover up you here. I'm going to recover you, and then we will do that pelvic exam. So let's get everything. I'm looking for the lever. And I am just going to readjust you here. Perfect. Okay. You feel okay? Good. You let me know if anything I do is too uncomfortable. Do you mind scooting a little bit more down to the edge here? There you go. Yep. Scoot a little bit more down. Perfect. Yes. It's always when you feel like you're going to fall off. Am I right? Alrighty. So we are just going to start just by looking on the outside only. So you'll feel my gloves here on the outside. Again, looking for any suspicious moles or lesions, looking for any skin changes. Very good. You haven't noticed any new bumps? Good. Just want to make sure. Not seeing any abnormalities, which is great. Okay. All right. Very good. The next part of the examination will be the internal pelvic exam with the speculum. So I am just going to put some lubricant. All right, and you're going to feel my gloves here on the outside. Internal pressure, taking a quick look. Everything looks super healthy. Vaginal walls are healthy, no cervical polyps, nothing like that. Since we're not doing the pap smear, I can take that right out as well. It's definitely a lot faster without the pap smear, right? Yeah, people are never too angry about that. Awesome. So the internal pelvic exam is done. Last part of the exam is when I put lubricant on my gloves here, and we are just going to make sure that I don't feel any masses or any tenderness. All right, last part here. You just let me know if you're feeling any pain. All right, not feeling any enlargements. Your pelvic exam is all completed. You are all done with that. So, with that being said, I will be putting an order in for you for a screening mammogram. We like to get those yearly, and so I am just going to be writing one up here for you. We didn't see anything concerning with the breasts, which is why it's a screening. And then the girls up front, they are going to give you the number to please get that scheduled this year, okay? Thank you. To conclude, we did not do any testing today, so you're not really going to be looking out for any results other than your screening mammogram that you'll have later this year. But with that being said, do you have absolutely any questions at all today regarding your annual exam or just in general? Everything is pretty straightforward? Good. All right, so with that being said, I'm just writing the order here for you, and then the girls at the front will give you this order after they scan it in so that you can get all your imaging scheduled. But other than that, it was very, very nice to see you. Everything looked very healthy today regarding the breasts, the abdominal region, and the pelvic exam. And so the plan is that I will see you next year for your next routine annual. Yes, and of course, if you have any concerns or any problem-related concerns, then definitely come in sooner than a year. Absolutely my pleasure. I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you later.